everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I have a list here of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with millet. But before I get into it, I do want to say that millet can also be used interchangeably with rice and quinoa and buckwheat and any other grain that you would like to have. So any way that you flavor those other grains, chances are you can plug millet right into it and flavor it in the same way. Now, with that having been said, here's our list of herbs and spices that we know work well with millet. We've got basil, bay leaf, cardamom, chervil, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, coriander, cumin, curry powder and curry spices, dill, garlic, ginger, mint, oregano, parsley, pepper, especially black pepper, rosemary, saffron, salt, tarragon, thyme, turmeric, and vanilla. Let me know if you have another spice that you'd like to add to the list. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.